Assalamualaikum. Good evening. I hope you guys are doing well. Welcome to my YouTube channel English with Anis with another exciting video about the IELTS Speaking Part 1. The topic is friends. If you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing and thumbs up, and don't forget to press the bell icon for future notifications. You won't miss it anyway. Thank you very much. Let's dive straight into the discussions and explore how can these questions will be of any help to you. I have in this video I have collected some questions and prepared them for you and tried to answer them. Okay, number first question. It's about friendship. It's about friends. In IELTS Part 1, they ask you about your friends mostly. Okay? So how frequently do you engage in conversation with your friends? One of the questions, you can say, I maintain regular contact with my friends, usually once or twice a week. These interactions bring me a sense of comfort and relaxation. You got it? Number 2, what factors, in your opinion, contribute to the longevity of a friendship? You can answer, in my view, effective communication and mutual understanding play a vital role in fostering endeavor friendships. Regular communication and spending time together help fortify the bond. Okay. Next questions they might ask you about your friends is that, does having shared interests make maintaining a friendship easier? So certainly your answer would be, certainly I believe shared interests are a significant advantage in friendships. When individuals have common hobbies or preferences, it reduces the likelihood of conflicts, making it smoother to nurture the friendship. Question number 4. How do people forge new friendship in today's world? In the contemporary digital era, various avenues facilitate friendships formulation. The internet and technology have given rise to platforms like social networks, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and even specialized sites like Tinder and Pen Pal, providing multiple ways to connect. Clear? Question number 5. What importance do friends hold in your life? Friends are of great importance to me. Right? Engaging in conversations or spending time together with them serves as a source of relaxation and rejuvenation. They are an integral part of my support system. Number 6. Do you have a preference for socializing with friends or spending time alone? What influences this choice? Typically, I opt to spend my leisure time with friends. However, there are occasions when I seek solitude if I'm not feeling my best. Having personal space allows me to recharge. Question number 7. What sort of activities do you and your friends partake in collectively? So your answer should be, our group enjoys a variety of activities during our get-togethers. These include games, light-hearted discussions, window shopping, visit to the cinema, and occasional dining experiences. Number 8. In your view, do friends hold a significance comparable to that of family? Both friends and family carry equal significance in my life. While family provides a sense of rootedness, friends offer companionship, and support. Especially during times of separation, friends can step in to fulfill familial roles. Number 9, how do people in your country typically initiate friendships? For instance, in educational institutions or workplaces. So in my country, friendship are often cultivated through face-to-face interactions. Traditional methods involve forming connections with classmates in schools or colleges and colleagues in workplaces. Online friendships, primarily through text-based interactions, are less common. Number 10, in the process of establishing friendship, similar for adults and children. The process of making friends differs between adults and children. Adults often select friends based on shared interests, personalities, and compatibility. In contrast, children tend to form connections more readily, sometimes even with strangers who exhibit appealing qualities. So I hope you understand these questions. इसी तरह की questions आपसे पूछे जा सकते हैं. IELTS part 1 की बात मैं कर रहा हूँ. It should be brief, to the point, and very natural. Right? ऐसा ना हो कि आप कहीं से रीडिंग शुरू करें या कोई टेक्स्ट की हवाले शुरू कर दें. You have to be very, very natural in your approach towards answering these questions. It should be very natural. ठीक है, डायरेक्ट आंसर्स आपको देने होंगे कि दे, यू, वी, ऑल दैट स्टफ. ऐसा ना हो कि कहीं से आप फ्रेंडशिप की definitions निकाल दे, फिर definitions को define करें. नहीं, straightforward answers you have to give it to the examiner to prove that you are able to communicate effectively with him. I hope you understand this lesson. अगर आपको ये वीडियो अच्छी लगी तो don't be miser, be generous to thumbs up. Please subscribe and don't forget to press the bell icon for future notifications. मैं बहुत सारे इस किस्म के exciting videos लेकर आऊँगा आपके लिए. Thank you very much for watching. Bye.